welcome back in today's tutorial. We'll train on how you can create a loader using just HTML and the CSS. This is just a simple animation whereby you'll have something like this of this sort, whereby you can have something rotating. This one can be used in case you just need to insert it when you load your web page. Now let's see how you can create it just in few lines of code. Now you create a new file. Now after creating a new file, you name it as, you can name it as, let's call it .html. Alright, now after that I'll have now to create basic tags. Here you can change to loader in HTML. Right, now in between here you'll have now to create a dev class, whereby a dev class will call it, you can call it loader. Right, now you can create it and name it loader. Now after that, here that's all about HTML. Now you need to add CSS. In between here you'll have now CSS, whereby you'll have now loader, which will be given to, alright, this is a class, so you need to have side axis, that side axis there. Now with that you'll have now to create, you can start with the border, and you can name it to 12px solid white smoke. Right, now after that you can have now the border style or the border radius. You can have it as 50%, so it means it will be in a square form. All right, now we can have the border bottom. Now for the border bottom, now it's all this thing that is rotating. This one blue in color, you can just insert to blue or just another color. You can have border at the top, border. Now let's have border the bottom. Right, border bottom, then you can have it as blue. Right, now you can have also something else we call animation. You can insert animation which will make sure it rotates, so you'll have spin 2 seconds now in infinity, so it means it will keep on rotating. Now you can just change this second, so this second will increase the speed of your loader. Right, now after that you'll have now to show the width. Right, the width you can set it to 100px. Then you'll have the height. This one shows the size of your loader. Right, now after that you'll need now to add keyframes. Keyframes now is what spin. Now spin. Right, all right, now after that the spin now is just this animation name. This is animation name. The animation name is spin. Right, now you can increase, how should it rotate? You can have 0%, whereby it will transform. Right, it will transform, then it rotate 0 decrease. Now decrease is denoted by DEG. All right, now you can also have copy that, then you paste here. Now here should be 100%. Right, now rotate here, should rotate up to 360, so it should be rotating in a circle. Right, a circle of 360 degrees. Right, now after that you can just come back here and see your file. This is your file now, and then you'll have right to store it in that way. We can have border bottom here, border bottom here. We can have top hex solid. Right, should be solid. Then just come here, then you refresh. Right, you refresh. Now this is what you see, it is rotating that way. So after that you can have, this is pin to linear, so you can have linear in a line. Right, you can just rotate or refresh. You see how it is appearing, but when you insert linear it should be rotating consistently. You see now it has changed the rotation. You can change the color, you can insert the border, border bottom, border top. Let's have border top, border top, top px solid, then we'll have, let's say, red. Right, now see, now this is red. You see, you can also change the border, border left. You can insert a top px solid green. Right, right, this is how it appears. This is how it appears. Right, see, now this is how our loader appears. Now you can also have, you can also increase the speed of the the rotation. You can change to, let's have 10 seconds. Let's have set 10 seconds. Right, it's rotating. See, it is rotating so slowly. So this is your, so slowly. See, now you can also increase speed by reducing this second to, let's say, 0.5 seconds. 0.5 seconds. You see, the speed has increased. The speed has increased. So that's how you create a loader. Next on our tutorial, we'll discuss something else, and later maybe we'll discuss this loader and how you can validate it using JavaScript and insert it on your web page. All right. So you can subscribe, like, and share our video.